Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link Twitch to Riot Games account, pro method step by step clearly. To link your Twitch account to your Riot Games account, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Riot Games website. Log in to your Riot Games account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Account Management section. In the Account Management area, find the option for linked accounts or connections. Click on the option to link a new account. Next, select Twitch from the list of available platforms. You will be redirected to Twitch for authentication. Log in to your Twitch account if you aren't already logged in. Authorize Riot Games to connect with your Twitch account. Review the permissions and click Authorize to complete the connection. You may be redirected back to the Riot Games account page. Verify the link status to ensure your Twitch account is successfully connected. Consider checking your Twitch account to confirm that the link reflects there as well. Once both accounts are linked, you are set to enjoy exclusive rewards and benefits. If you encounter any issues, revisit the account settings to ensure the link is active. Now you're ready to start streaming and engaging with your audience through Riot Games. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.